Hello there. I'm Yvonne de Celis, and I'm coming to you on December 26, 2018 at 2 p.m. on YDCtv to say hello and to also hopefully show you a really quick energy medicine exercise that I actually just learned how to do today. This is a really good one, though. I can tell, I can feel it. This is an exercise that will help you avoid wrinkles or help with the wrinkles that you do have. If you have anything in this section, any lines that may form here, just be warned, this exercise looks weird and feels a little odd, but it's worth it. What you do is you pinch and pull along your eyebrows. So you start here with these 3 or these 2 fingers. I do the 3, 2, 2. Start at the center, and you just start pinching and pulling. Pinching and pulling, and I don't know if you can really see what I'm doing, but again, you're just pinching and pulling. This is a little bit uncomfortable. My energy medicine hero, one of them, I have many now, but one of them is Donna Eden, and according to her daughter, Dondi Dahlin, whose last name is spelled Dahlin, if it hurts a little bit, it means you need it. Use your judgment on that one. If it's incredibly painful beyond belief, I wouldn't recommend doing it, but it only should hurt a little tiny bit or just be a little bit uncomfortable. But again, this can help with removing or preventing wrinkles. And the reason this works is it encourages the flow of energy through these areas, and it touches in on different meridians or energy pathways, both the bladder, stomach, and gallbladder. Those 3 are all touched by this, or all affected, so that's a really good one to do. I hope that helps you. Let me know how that makes you feel. I hope everyone had a very happy holiday, or is having a very happy holiday season. Happy Boxing Day, everybody. I hope you all have a great new year, and I will be back as soon as I can. Namaste. Thank you so much for coming to visit, and also when you get a chance, right around here, if you're not subscribed, you should see a YDCtv logo. If you click on that, it will subscribe you to this channel for free, and I will give you occasional notifications when I put videos up or make edits, anything like that. If you want to get every notification, click the bell next to the word subscribe. After you subscribe, and little lines will appear next to it. That'll give you everything. But if you could do anything like that, that would be great. But if not, just coming and watching this was enough. So thank you once again. Namaste, peace and light, and I'll be back again as soon as I can. Thank you again.